Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This beautiful afternoon, I have come back to teach you on actually how to deal with languages. Yes, dear listeners and viewers, how it's very important. You may move from one place to another, and you move to the foreign land where you are not the native and you don't know the language of that area. Here is actually a video to guide you on how you can simply do away with that one. Yes, if you want to translate from your language or any language to the language of the native land, you can easily actually do away with it in this way. You can actually go to Google Translate. The Google Translate, for you to easily get it, you go to the search bar on your computer. Then you actually just type Google, Google, yes, Google Translate. The Google Translate is here. You come and choose and you click on it. On getting the Google Translate, you actually come and see where you enter your text and where the translation will take place. You come and choose any language of your choice. Say you are well versed with English, you actually choose, you go and choose English. Say English. After choosing English, you can actually come to the language of the natives, or actually to the language of the foreign land into which you have landed. So you go and choose the language. Say you are actually in Denmark. You can choose the language Danish. When you choose the Danish, you can come here and type any word in English, then to automatically be translated in Danish from this side. Like for example, I type here hello in English. Here in English, it is automatically translated in Danish. That is the word has. I want to type the word. Actually, I want to change it to Arabic. I want to change it to Arabic of Egyptians. So I come and actually type good to automatically be translated and you can see the word. So dear listeners, don't be stuck everywhere because of the language. You can easily actually use the Google Translate to ease your burden. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for better continuation. Thank you.